Hey guys, it's Batchfile32 here, and today I have a new video for you. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fake error message to prank your friends with. So this error message has a .vbs extension and you can do it without any type of software installed on your device. But for this, to help me out a little, I'm going to be using Notepad++. Now if you do want to download Notepad++, then I have a video on it and you can click somewhere up here, I'm pretty sure, and you can download it. Alright, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to grab the code. Now this code will be in the description for those of you who would like to try this out. So I'm just copying it right here and pasting it in here. So it says msgbox and your message here, and then you can choose your button and your icon and then your title here. So what this basically means is your message here is what your message will be. So let's just say subscribe or I will give you a virus. So that seems pretty good. Let's use some exclamation marks. And then our title, which is like, so this title is a new one, Notepad++. So we'll do this. Let's go youtube.com says, I guess that will do. And here comes the good stuff. So the button is the stuff that comes down that's like okay and cancel. So I'm gonna hopefully have an image on the screen here that has got all of the button stuff. So for this I'm probably gonna do okay and cancel. I mean, I could just do okay, so I think I will. So that code is the number 0, sorry. And the icon, which is also, I'm going to have a image that's got all the icons up. So I think I'll do the information icon, which is 64. So I'll delete this here and I'll write 64. So if we save this, go ahead and save it. So let's save it in, I've got a coding file here somewhere. Yep, so let's save it in here. And this is the important bit that you guys have to remember. So name it whatever you want, so I'm just going to name it YouTube. That will do. And then you have to write .bat. If you don't write, .vbs. If you don't write .vbs, then it won't work. It'll just come up with an error. So once you've done that, then you can hit save. And to run your command, then you want to go down on your keyboard and press the F5 key, and then you go into these 3 dots and you go in here. So at the moment this is set as an executable file. You need to click all files here, and then your .vbs should be there. Click on it and press open, and now it's here. So to test it out, then press run, and there you go. youtube.com says subscribe or I'll give you a virus. So you can press OK. So that is what happens if you want to do one virus. But if you want to do multiple errors, then you copy the whole thing again and then paste it down on another line. And we're going to change up this text here. So this one's gonna say, I think I'll make it you better have subscribed. Well, actually, now let's make it a bit nicer. Like the video. Yeah, that's nicer. And I guess we'll still keep on this. And we'll do yes and no. So that is number 4 for the buttons. So at the moment it's 64. I'm just going to change it to 4. And if we save this by doing Control S, then F5 and running it again, then it says subscribe or I'll give you a virus. And if you press OK, then it will go like the video. Yes or no. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and learned something for yourself. So remember that the codes will be down in the description below. below if you would like to do this. Now this is a fantastic prank to like email to your friends or something, or put it on their computer, and they'll absolutely like freak out. You can say you have a virus, delete system 32 to continue. You can do whatever you want. So yeah, thanks for watching.